guys, Melissa here with Recipe Wednesday. Now that I have my tripod, I'm going to try to continue with this series as long as I can come up with recipes. And I'm trying to find really quick and easy ones, but if it is a long one, I'll let you know. But we're going to jump right into it. Today we're going to make an homemade ice cream cake, and it only has 2 ingredients. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, we're going to get started. So what I first have is a sealed container. I just use this little Sterilite one I got from Walmart. I use this for everything, but it does really perfect for the cake. So I'm going to set the lid aside. It's all washed and clean. My hands are all washed and cleaned. We're going to open up the box. I use the little mini ice cream sandwiches, but you can use the big ones or the little ones. It doesn't matter. I just prefer the little ones. The hardest part of this recipe is actually just opening up each one of the cookies. So if that's something you don't want to do, you might want to get the bigger cookies because you do have to open up quite a bit of them. Alright, well I'm going to fast forward this part on through so you can see the end result. Okay, so you have your stuff in the pan. Best thing I can tell you, make sure that your whipped topping is thawed and your ice cream sandwiches are well frozen, because I just came from the grocery store and it's freezing outside, but my ice cream sandwiches were still a little bit thawed. So then you just want to take the rest of your topping, put it on top, ice it just like you would a cake. And you could actually get really fancy with this and make it really pretty. But this is just for my husband and I. So, and like I said, I didn't take the time to thaw the topping, and I didn't take the time to let the cookies harden back, the ice cream sandwiches harden back up. So, but you can write, I have used them and wrote like happy birthday on them with the little cake pins. If you would like, you can just drizzle. And voila, your ice cream cake is done. Stick it back in the freezer, let it cool, let it freeze back up for about an hour, and you have it. It's like really 3 ingredients if you include the chocolate syrup. Okay, how is it?
This is amazing.
All right there, people, you got it. It's amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this recipe and you think you're gonna make it. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next Wednesday.